In this video, I will show you how I use ChatGPT as a high-level personal fitness coach to create a professional, structured workout plan that fits my exact lifestyle. I'm starting right here on the home page. I have a specific set of instructions ready in the notepad that asks ChatGPT to act as my personal trainer, providing realistic and science-based routines. I'll copy this text, paste it into the chat box, and hit send. ChatGPT immediately acknowledges its new role and asks for more details regarding my goals, fitness level, and the equipment I have available. Next, I'll go back to my notes to copy my specific profile details. I'll provide my age, current weight, and the fact that I'm a beginner who wants to work out 4 days a week at home without any equipment. Once I paste this into the chat, ChatGPT generates a comprehensive weekly workout plan. It breaks down exercises like bodyweight squats, push-ups, and planks into specific sets and reps, even including dedicated warm-up and rest days to ensure I stay consistent. Now, I want to see how the AI can refine the plan for a much busier schedule. I'll copy a new request from my notes asking for a high-intensity, 30-minute workout, 3 days a week, using only a pair of adjustable dumbbells. I'll paste that into the chat, and ChatGPT instantly adapts the routine. This new plan focuses on efficient compound movements like goblet squats and overhead presses to ensure I get the best results in the shortest amount of time. To take my fitness journey even further, I'll ask for a 4-week progressive plan and a daily meal plan that features local Filipino ingredients. I'll copy the request and paste it into the box. ChatGPT provides a detailed 4-week breakdown that increases in intensity each week to keep me challenged. It also generates a simple daily meal plan featuring high protein and locally available options. Finally, I want ChatGPT to remember my fitness profile permanently so I don't have to repeat myself in future sessions. I'll copy my profile details one last time, navigate down to the bottom left corner, and click on my account settings. I'll go to the Personalization tab, open the Custom Instructions menu, and paste my details into the field. After clicking Save, ChatGPT is now permanently set up to give me fitness and nutrition advice that is always tailored to my specific journey. If you found this walkthrough helpful for reaching your own fitness goals, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.